Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. It is Prime Day time, guys. We got Prime Day sales going on now. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But Prime Day don't start until 11th, but they got the sales going on now, so definitely get ahead of the competition out here. We're going to see what's inside, and you guys can order it right now. All you got to do is click that link and add it to your cart. Check out. They'll ship it to you fast. I think it's like 1 day shipping or the next day. So really fast, though. We're going to see what's inside right about now. Alrighty, guys. This is coming from Perlesmith. Definitely check them out. I just did the other TV stand that I did in my room. This is going to be going in my family room. I have a 70-inch. 72, somewhere around there. But it's under 75, so I'm good to go. So they got, I think this is like 30 and up. 30 to 75, somewhere around there. But click that link down below. Read the description and make sure this fits your TV size. So I do believe it starts at like 30 inches around and up to 75. I know that for sure. So, but like I said, they got other TV carts, stuff like that. This one has the wheels on it. So I might switch it out with my one in my room. So I'm not sure yet, but we're going to take a look inside, put it together. Hopefully I could get the other TV on tonight, but it all depends on how long this is going to take and so on and so on. But we'll show it how it looks bare without the TV on it until at the end. So stay tuned for that. We'll be right back. Well, now this is a totally different setup. I like this. Kind of looks like the Batman, the Batwing or whatever it's called, his little ship. Look at that. Got some stuff here. Stuff everywhere to put together. This is going to be a fun one. It says you might need 2 people, but I did it with 1 person, myself. So, I mean, it all depends on how you are. So, if it's for, like, older folks, you definitely might want to have 2 people, you and your friend, to help set up for your parents or whatever. But if it's for you, you can do it yourself. Or just call a buddy, you know, have a couple hours, a couple beers, and set this thing up. But, yeah, I'm going to do it solo. So it might take me a little bit, but I think I'm pretty good at this now, with the second one getting underway in a few. So, but this is definitely going in the family room with the Samsung 70-inch or 72-inch, I hope. So I think I got the right one. We shall see. See you guys in a few. Alright, guys, we got 90% done. This is the camera part, but I'm not going to have a camera, so I'm going to leave that out. And I'm just going to put those 2, these guys, into it. And that's it. I got to hide the wires. And we'll be good. Hold on 1 sec. And there we go. Got it all installed. You might want to have 2 people, like I said. But if you're really good at doing stuff like this, then you should be having no problem. I got it done, though. Really nice. Here we go. And then it's going to hide a few wires. Or maybe not. Yeah, we're good. So I'm really happy, and I'll show you the picture. Here we go. Looking good, though. Really impressed with it. I probably got to move the bookshelves a little bit, but it looks really good, though. I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'll hurry up and not show too much video of the wrestling going on. But there we go. Very happy. Check them out. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night.